Hey guys, my name is Ryan, and this is a very quick video for the YouTube channel Geek Forensic. And today's podcast is how you can create a horizontal menu bar by using purely HTML and CSS. Now, again, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS is Cascading Style Sheet, where you can make a styles in your web pages. So I have a folder in my under htdocs. So here's my folders, and I'm going to click demo and in the horizontal bar. So this is where I put all my files, the PHP and images, and also my CSS. So I have here my index. It still says entitled. So what I'm gonna do here inside my body is to create the div tag, and I'm going to put a header or ID as header, and also I have a closing div tag, and inside my div tag I have UL and closing UL tag. Inside UL I have LI or list items, also closing LI here, and let's have anchor tag for the links, closing anchor tag, and this is going to be home. And I'm a bit lazy right now, so I don't want to copy all of these codes, so I just have to paste in here. This is going to be photos, sorry, about, contacts, or let's say events, and login. So here's my basic HTML, so I'm going to Control S to save this. I'm going to go to demo in this one, and this is going to be my index.php. Make sure that your save as type is set to PHP. Hit save. And I already have my XAMPP running, so you can see Apache and MySQL, they're running. So let me open my browser, localhost, demo, horizontal bar, and then index.php. So this is my the website or web page. So as you can see, there's no styles. And what I'm going to do right now, since I wanted to have a sub menu for my about for this li, so I'm going to have another li inside the third li. Inside this li I have ul. So third or three ULs, and then I'm going to copy this and then copy this again here. This is going to be about company, um, about our service, and our goal. Okay, so that's it. And I'm gonna have to save this, and so here's how it looks like. So I have home, photos, about. Inside my about I have company, service, and goal, and continue with events and login. Now there's no fancy design or text or graphics in my web page. So let's go ahead and bring up our CSS and make this web page into life. So let me open CSS. First thing is, let's go ahead and download a nice image of nature. This one. Let's see. Go to demo in this one, and this is going to be nature.jpg or JPEG. Okay, so let's take a look. So for now, in my horizontal bar folder, I have two files, the PHP and then the nature.jpg. So let's create a CSS. First thing is I have to target our body, so that first thing is let's have a background URL, and it's going to be nature.jpg. No repeat. And also the background size would be covered so that the entire image will fit in the within the background of our browser. Font family would be sans serif. You can either choose any font family you want, and for the color it should be white. Save this, and it should be style.css. Okay, so let me go ahead and run this. See, F5. As you can see, I have my background, which is the nature.jpg. Next is to style the UL. Okay, so for the UL tag, I'm going to set the margin of 0 pixel and also the padding of 0 pixel. And as you can see, my links, they have this bullet type of image or something. So I'm going to remove that by using this elements. It's called the list style and none. Save this and let's see what happened. So there's no style at all, and as you can see, they are uh, it removes the margin and also the padding. Now if you wanted to have some breathing room of your text, so let's change the padding to 5. So you can see there's a bit of changes of the distance of the text. Next is the ULLI. So basically the ULLI target the this one, the first LI, the home, photos, about, events, and login. So what we're going to do here is to float to left so that our text will display in the left. And let's have a width of 200 pixels. Also the height of 40 pixels. And the background color is white. Let's save this, and here it goes. So there's a bit changes of your text now. The next thing to do is the opacity. The opacity is the transparency of your text. So all you have to do is to make it opacity, and then the value would be 0.8. Let's see what happened here. So there's a bit of transparency of this line or this color. And let's make the text into the center by using the line height of 40 pixels. So as you can see, and also let's have a text align into center. This text align will basically put your text inside or in the center part, as you can see. And also let's change the font size into 20 pixels. Okay, so let's see what happened now. So here's the website. It changed to 20 pixels. And next thing to do is let's have another style. So this will target our A or anchor tag, ULLIA. Now, basically, there is a underline of your text. So let's go ahead and remove that by using the text decoration into none. The color will be white and display would be block. Let's see what happened. Okay, all right. Now let's continue. ULLIA hover. This is when you hover your mouse and it should have some changes on your text or on the elements or the color. Let's change the background into green. Okay. Actually, I made some mistakes. So the background color should be black and the color in here is white. So this this code in here target the A. So it's ULLIA and then hover. So basically what it does is if you put your mouse into your LI, the home photos about company events and login, they change their background color to green. And also we wanted to like uh, hidden this service and go. They should only appear if you put your mouse into the company and that brings down the sub menu. So to do that, you can use the ULLI and display it to none. Let's see what happened here. I think I make a mistake. Okay, let's see what we need to do. Next is ULLI, hover ULLI and change the display to block. Let's see what happens. So I think it's not working. Hey guys, actually I made a mistake. Earlier I choose LI and then UL here, but it should be UL and LI. This is the correct orientation. Now let's check my CSS again and see what happened. So again, um, for it should be ULLI ULLI. Basically, this is in HTML. This one, the company, the service, and Go, the way they uh, write them in HTML is by using the UL and then the LI and then another UL LI. So that's how you target them in HTML. So let's check again the see what happened. So as you can see, if you put your mouse over to home, it turns into green. And so uh, basically, when you run your index.php, you can't see the sub menu because of this line of code. So ULLI display none. But in the next line of code, it says ULLI. If you hover the first LI, which is the first LI will be the home photo about events and login. So if you hover into about, it's going to display, it's going to run this code, display block, and that is the reason why the sub contents will show up. See? Okay. Guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.